What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. Just want to give you a live update and say Happy New Year's to everyone out there, all of my family out there. I just want to say hopefully this year will be better than last year and we really get our Hogon fam. And I just want to give you a live update. I just moved into my place in Little Rock, Arkansas, and I am excited. I'm not bragging, but I'm humble and I'm thankful. You know how when you struggle and you go through things and you finally get that breath of fresh air and you just want to say, I made it. So I want to give y'all a little update of my spot. This is when you first step through. Like I say, it's just a 1-bedroom. I call it the player's pad. You know, then we step through here. It's not a real big area. You come through here. You got a door here. And you got the bathroom here, which isn't bad. It's a bad area. Got the bathroom there. And then you step in here. You got the room. And then it comes through. You got the kitchen area. So right now, like I say, I'm just getting everything in. So it's a blessing to have it where I got it up to this point. But I just want to give a live update and just say, don't give up on yourself. I don't know what you're going through, but this year you're going to get a breakthrough, especially if you stay focused, keep God first, and keep getting your hog on.